Dolores. I wanted to tell you about this amazing motorhome I'm planning to get, and it's a Toyota Hikecruze into a 6x6. Imagine a spacious camper. You won't believe the motorhome I'm looking at. It's based on the reliable Toyota Hikecruze, but modified with 6-wheel drive for extreme terrain.
Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and like.
The 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 motorhome is not just another recreational vehicle. It is a declaration of dominance in the world of extreme luxury travel. Built for explorers who demand absolute control over terrain, comfort, and technology. This futuristic 6x6 motorhome redefines what it means to travel freely across America, from endless highways to unforgiving off-road landscapes. The Hikecruze 6x6 blends Toyota's legendary reliability with military-grade toughness and first-class living, creating a motorhome that feels equally at home in the wilderness and in the spotlight. At first glance, the Hikecruze 6x6 commands attention with its bold stance and aggressive proportions. The triple-axle configuration immediately signals that this machine is built for serious capability. Massive all-terrain tires, reinforced suspension, and elevated ground clearance give it a powerful presence that few RVs can match. The front fascia carries Toyota's modern design language with sharp LED headlights, an armor grille, and integrated recovery points, while the extended body flows seamlessly into a rugged yet refined living module. Every angle reflects strength, precision, and purpose, making it clear that this motorhome was engineered to conquer, not compromise, under the hood. The 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 is powered by a next-generation turbocharged hybrid diesel engine. Designed specifically for heavy-duty overlanding, this advanced powertrain delivers immense torque for climbing steep grades, towing heavy loads, and navigating deep sand, mud, or snow without hesitation. Paired with Toyota's intelligent 6-wheel drive system, power is distributed dynamically across all axles, ensuring maximum traction and stability in any condition. Whether cruising at highway speeds or crawling through rocky trails, the Hikecruze maintains smooth, confident performance that inspires trust behind the wheel. The driving experience is further enhanced by an adaptive air suspension system that automatically adjusts ride height and damping based on terrain and load. On the highway, the suspension lowers for improved aerodynamics and comfort, while off-road it raises to clear obstacles and absorb impacts with ease. Advanced traction control modes allow the driver to select settings for sand, snow, rock, or mud, transforming the motorhome's behavior to match the environment instantly. Despite its size, the Hikecruze 6x6 feels surprisingly composed, making long-distance travel less fatiguing and more enjoyable. Step inside the cabin, and the rugged exterior gives way to a world of refined luxury. The interior of the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 is designed to feel like a modern luxury apartment on wheels. Natural wood finishes, soft touch surfaces, and premium upholstery create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, offering breathtaking views of landscapes that few motorhomes could ever reach. Every detail has been carefully considered to balance durability with elegance, ensuring that the interior remains beautiful even after thousands of miles of adventure. The main living area features a spacious lounge with modular seating that can be rearranged to suit different needs. Whether relaxing after a long drive, entertaining guests, or enjoying a movie night, a large digital display serves as the entertainment hub, supporting streaming, navigation, and vehicle monitoring systems. Surround sound audio fills the space with rich, immersive sound, turning the motorhome into a private cinema wherever it is parked. Ambient LED lighting throughout the cabin allows occupants to customize the mood, from bright and energizing during the day to calm and cozy at night. The kitchen in the Hikecruze 6x6 is nothing short of impressive. Designed for full-time living, it features high-end appliances including an induction cooktop, convection oven, full-size refrigerator, and dishwasher. Solid surface countertops provide ample space for meal preparation, while smart storage solutions ensure that every utensil and ingredient has its place. Whether cooking a quick breakfast before hitting the trail or preparing a gourmet dinner in the middle of nowhere, this kitchen delivers the functionality and comfort of a home kitchen. With the efficiency required for life on the road. Sleeping arrangements in the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 are equally luxurious. The master bedroom offers a full-size bed with a premium mattress, surrounded by sound-insulated walls for a quiet and restful night's sleep. Built-in wardrobes and hidden storage compartments provide generous space for clothing and gear, eliminating clutter and maintaining a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Additional sleeping areas are seamlessly integrated into the living space, making the motorhome ideal for families or groups without sacrificing comfort or privacy. The bathroom is a standout feature, rivaling those found in high-end apartments. A spacious walk-in shower with rainfall fixtures, a modern vanity with integrated lighting, and a water-efficient toilet create a spa-like experience on the road. Advanced water filtration and recycling systems allow for extended off-grid use, ensuring that luxury does not come at the expense of sustainability. Heated floors and climate control maintain comfort in all weather conditions. From freezing mountain nights to hot desert days, technology plays a central role in the Hikecruze 6x6 experience. A fully integrated smart control system allows occupants to manage lighting, climate, power usage, and security from a central touchscreen or mobile app.
If you enjoyed this Toyota 6x6 motorhome tour, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Your support means everything.
Solar panels mounted on the roof work in harmony with high-capacity lithium battery banks, providing reliable off-grid power for days or even weeks at a time. An onboard generator serves as a backup, ensuring uninterrupted comfort regardless of location. Satellite internet connectivity keeps travelers connected to the outside world, making remote work, streaming, and navigation effortless even in the most isolated regions. Safety and security are paramount in a vehicle of this caliber. The 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, and 360-degree camera coverage. Off-road cameras provide real-time views of terrain beneath and around the vehicle, making technical maneuvers safer and more precise. Reinforced construction and integrated security systems protect occupants and belongings, giving peace of mind whether parked in the wilderness or an urban environment. What truly sets the Hikecruze 6x6 apart is its versatility. This motorhome is not just for luxury travelers or hardcore off-road enthusiasts. It is designed for anyone who values freedom, self-reliance, and uncompromising quality. It can serve as a full-time residence, a mobile office, an expedition vehicle, or a family adventure hub. The ability to transition seamlessly between these roles makes it one of the most adaptable motorhomes ever created. In the context of the American RV market, the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 stands as a symbol of innovation and ambition. It reflects a growing desire among travelers to break free from crowded campgrounds and explore untouched destinations without sacrificing comfort or safety. As overlanding and off-grid travel continue to rise in popularity, this motorhome positions Toyota at the forefront of a new era in recreational vehicles. Ultimately, the 2026 Toyota Hikecruze 6x6 motorhome is more than a vehicle. It is a lifestyle statement. It represents the idea that adventure and luxury are not opposites, but partners. For those who dream of crossing America on their own terms, waking up to new horizons every day, and carrying the comforts of home wherever the road leads. The Hikecruze 6x6 delivers on every promise. Powerful, intelligent, and beautifully crafted. It is a motorhome built not just to travel the world, but to redefine how the world is explored.
If you enjoyed this Toyota 6x6 motorhome tour, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Your support means everything.